Hi everyone, welcome again to Fun Academy Music class, where we learn musical instruments. You must be wondering, why do I have a clock in front of me? Well, today we are going to learn a simple tune called the Westminster Chimes. First, let's listen to the tune. Also called Westminster Quarter, this simple tune has only 4 notes: C, D, E on the right hand, and the G on the left. As usual, we'll have C on the thumb, D, E, and G on the left hand. Now comes the tricky part. We will have to play both C on the right hand and G on the left. Let's do it again. We did it! Good job!